On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram bio link. Hello guys, so to fix the bio link easily and fast, all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode and enable it, and then disable it again after a few seconds. Go back and this time go to the apps manager and then go to the apps right here, go to Instagram. After you go to the Instagram, now right here click on the force stop. After you click on the force stop, now all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. After that, go to the storage and click on clear data. Now go back and click on app details and it will open the Play Store. Now here on Play Store, all what you have to do is click on update to update your Instagram. Restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.